Welcome back to the Biz Profit Center. My name is Pat, and today we're talking about the Trezor Model T. Yes, this is a cryptocurrency hardware wallet, and this thing is pretty darn sweet. I love it. I am into crypto. I've been into crypto for quite a few years, and I've been waiting for this guy to come into my mailbox. But I don't want to really get into the differences between the new Trezor and the old Trezor because I own both of them. And yes, for all of you Ledger fans, I have quite a few of these Ledgers because the downside with Ledger, what I don't really like that much, is that you can only hold typically 3 cryptocurrencies on one wallet. So it kind of aggravating. But at the end of the day, it still works just perfectly fine. I prefer Trezor because they look so much better than the Ledger Nano S. And I'm not here to talk about the old Trezor. I'm talking about this new guy that just came into town. So we're doing an unboxing. Let's get into it. So the one thing that I did do before the video, just wanted to check it before I did the video, is that I did take the cellophane off. So typically, you're going to have a cellophane that's wrapped around this package. So when you get it, you're going to slide this guy out, or girl, depends on what you prefer. On the front, it's going to say, safe place for your coins. And the one thing I really, really like, I know it's ridiculous, but you actually have a magnetic box right here. So when you close it, it just automatically, I'm going to get it closer to the speaker. There you go. Kind of nice that they put all that time and effort into just the quality of the packaging, which, I can't say about some of the other hardware wallets out there. So we're going to dig into this guy. You're going to have a box like this. This should have the USB cord, and it sure does. There's nothing else in there. So USB on one side, and then this is the port that goes into your Ledger, like this. Boom. But I'll show you this in a second. So that was that box. You're going to have a getting started pamphlet, and then two of your personal seed phrase. So you write down you're going to have 12 seed words, and that way, if anything ever happens to your wallet, say you break it, you lose it, whatever, as long as you have your seed phrase, you can always buy another one and access all your funds again. This is why I love crypto so much. One of the reasons I love crypto so much. Okay, one last thing that comes in here. So right here is a magnetic backing. So for those of you that, I actually own a couple of these, but if you drive and you have one of those magnetic holders for your phones in your car, so you put it in the air vents, it plugs in, and then this is magnetic. In the actual hardware wallet, there's a magnet, so this sticks to it. Pretty sweet. I do like that. So I guess it's for any of you guys out there, or girls that like to have access to your hardware wallet up on a wall if it's pretty close to you and you can just plug your USB cord in, or if you have something on your monitor that you can plug in really easily right there. So overall, one thing that you want to keep in mind is that you're going to have this tape on the port. It's not the USB side, but the regular port that goes over. So if this is tampered with in any way, you ship it back right away. Do not waste your time going through, putting together your seed phrase, doing all that, it's not worth it, because you never know who might have sent you something like this, because you can order these on Amazon. Right here, you can order them on eBay, but I would never do it. I don't recommend it ever. Always, 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 especially when it comes to crypto, order directly through the supplier. So Trezor and Ledger, I will have links down below. They are the true links. You just go straight to Ledger or NANO, or Ledger, Ledger or Trezor, I'm sorry. But yeah, I mean, never, ever, ever, I don't ever recommend getting a Ledger or a Trezor from anyone. If they say they're giving them away, that's fine. Unless you trust them with your life, I would never put any crypto on it. So yes, the links down below, they're affiliate links. They do help the channel. But again, you don't need to use them, but I'm trying to help you guys out, guys and girls, that if you're getting into it, I want you to be safe with your crypto, please, because I've had issues in the past where I have lost crypto and it really sucks. So overall, that is the unboxing. Be sure to check out my next video. I'm going to go ahead and create one where I set this puppy up, because I am super excited to get some crypto on it and try it out. All right. Thanks for watching. Appreciate everything that everyone does in the world. Be safe, especially with your crypto. Pat, we are the Business Profit Center. We're out. See ya.